Not again. Not again. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Skittle Fabs, and I am outside. It is probably like 1:30 a.m. and I'm out here working on my caliber. This is what I've done in the past couple days, switching out TIPMs and playing with this relay fuse box that's down here behind your bumper under your driver's side headlight. I've been toying with all these wires and stripping off the electrical tape and whatnot, but just basically try to see where my issue was with my electrical. Well, I thought it was electrical, but yeah, anyways, I decided to investigate a little bit more with my caliber and go ahead and take a lot of different parts off on the top end so I could basically expose my valves, springs, all that good stuff, and my chain. So this is what I did. And this is my cams and valves and my, what's this? Is that a bad chain? Yeah, guys, it is time. Unfortunately, I have to do my timing chain again. Hopefully my oil pump didn't seize, and I don't know, but I'm probably just gonna go ahead and buy the oil pump and the timing chain again because you never know. Hopefully nothing's wrong with my motor. I think I just might have skipped timing, but who knows what could have happened. But this is another issue that I found out. To my astonishment, you guys, this is what I found. My intake flapper, it wasn't connected, and it looks like it was broken off right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably order a new one of these. I was trying to take off this lower radiator hose because I was showing you guys a video on how to replace your thermostat manifold, but this clip normally goes on there, but look at this, it doesn't stay on there. So I'm gonna probably have to order one of these too, and I just went ahead and ordered coil packs. So hopefully you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and stay tuned to the top end rebuild because that is what I'm gonna be doing. I got the DCR top end rebuild, and now I just need another OEM timing chain and OEM oil pump and possibly a Real Tune S2B turbo. I don't know. Decisions. Do I want to send out the turbo and have that rebuilt? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll have it sent to Real Tune and have him do the S2B on my turbo. Who knows? Decisions. So if you guys are a new viewer to my channel, please subscribe, and if you guys have not seen my how-to video for the Caliber SRT4 timing chain, click here or at the end of the video and you guys can go ahead and watch that. So until then, be easy, stay tuned, peace.